Hello everyone, Satnam. My name is Nori and I am a Kundalini yoga teacher for Yoga Vision Center. In this video, I will guide you through a Kundalini meditation designed to help you break addiction, whether it's eating junk food, smoking, drinking, and even your old patterns, your thoughts, and old belief systems that are no longer serving you. First, I'm going to talk about this meditation and how it works to help reprogram the mind. In the description and the comments, I'll be sure to link the time that the meditation starts so you can listen to the background info, and then as you go through your practice, you can skip right on through to the meditation. I do recommend doing this meditation for at least 40 days in order to get its full effect. Okay, first, let's talk about habits. When you do something new for the first time, a neural pathway is created, which is a path that allows neurons to send signals to and from the brain and the body. At first, when you're learning a new skill, this pathway is not quite established yet, so you may have a harder time learning this new skill or developing this new habit. However, over time, as you keep practicing, what happens is a myelin sheath from the axons of a neuron becomes thicker and thicker. This acts as insulation, as the electrical signal can be passed through more easily and effectively in order to perform that action. Think of an electrical line. The wire has insulation wrapping around it, so it can send the signal to and from the beginning and end and pass on that information very easily without any disruption. If you cut that wire or if there is no insulation there, then the energy is sporadic and it cannot be controlled. So this is how we learn new things. This is how we start to form these everyday habits. So over time, the things that we do every day, they probably have a really thick myelin sheath associated with that neural pathway. So it becomes the path of least resistance. And we're able to do these things more easily without that conscious effort on our part. However, if this habit is no longer serving you, like in addiction, then it becomes more difficult to change these established ways of doing things. That's why in order to facilitate change, we need to reprogram the brain. And to do that, we need to do something different. We need to establish new neural pathways in the mind and the body. There are a number of ways to do this, but in our Kundalini yoga practice, we do have a saying, expect the unexpected. And this is how Kundalini yoga works to change our old thoughts, our old habits and belief systems. We surprise our system by doing something new, doing something that we've never done before. We cannot change if we do the same things over and over again. We cannot expect a sudden moment. Why are we waiting for change to happen to us? Rather, we do have the power to facilitate change for ourselves. In my own experience, I've been practicing Kundalini yoga for 13 years, since 2013. But within the last 2 years, I finally had more of a consistent practice, practicing Kundalini yoga every single day. And what I found is that nowadays, I'm more able to adapt to change. I don't feel the same rigidity, the fear of the unknown, of the future and what change will bring. So in other words, this practice will help you learn how to reprogram yourself over and over and over again in order to adapt and change with the changing environment around you. So in this practice, I do recommend doing this meditation every single day, either in the morning, or you can turn to this meditation whenever you have that trigger, the trigger of your old habit. In that way, you're able to disrupt that signal, stopping from trigger past actions, old belief system, and you still stay the same. Rather, it becomes trigger, do something new, create a new neural pathway, and then you change and reprogram your mind. Are you ready? Let's begin. So first, find yourself in a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a chair, you can sit on the ground, either cross-legged, or you can pull your legs out, extend them straight in front. From here, we'll begin by tuning in, pressing the palms together at the center of your chest. We tune in with the Adi mantra, Ong, Namo, Gurudev Namo. I bow to the teacher within. I call upon my highest consciousness. I am awake, alert, present, and focused. We chant this 3 times together to tune into our practice. Take a deep inhale breath, close the eyes. Hold for a moment and exhale. 2 more, take a deep inhale breath. Hold and exhale. And we'll inhale to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Last one, inhale. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Keep your hands in place. Take a deep inhale breath. Hold the breath and set your intentions for today's practice. What do you want to leave behind? Gently exhale. Keep your palms pressed together. Take a deep inhale breath. Hold. And who do you want to become? What new habits do you want to bring in? Slowly, gently exhale. Lower the hands back down on your knees, and we'll begin today's meditation. So starting in a comfortable seated position, bring your hands into fists, leaving your thumbs pointed upwards. And then bring this mudra up towards your temples, pressing your thumbs into the notches in here. From here, you'll be tightening the right side of your molars and then alternating to the left. So first, biting down more on the right side and then the left, back to right, and then the left. And we'll be using a mantra, a mental mantra chanted silently in the mind. Sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, tighten the right. Ta, tighten the left. Na, tighten the right. Ma, tighten the left. And you'll continue on alternating sa, ta, na, ma, and tightening each side as you do. So bring your fingers up towards your temples, reaching the crown of the head upwards towards the sky. Straighten the spine, lower the shoulders down, close the eyes, and begin. Satanama is linked to the power of an atom. It is the mantra Satnam, meaning truth is my name, broken down into its nuclear parts. Sa means the universe, totality. Ta, life and creation. Na, death. Dissolution. Ma, rebirth and regeneration. Sa, ta, na, ma. Universe, life, death, rebirth. Relax the shoulders away from the ears, keeping the spine straight. Head is stacked over the hips. Crown of the head reaches upward towards the sky. We're almost there. Keep mentally chanting Sa, Ta, Na, Ma as you alternate tightening your molars. The pressure exerted by your thumbs triggers a current into your central brain. This activates the brain area directly under the stem of the pineal gland, the gland that is associated with the third eye. And this will help to restore balance. To break unhealthy habits, we have to change the brain chemistry. Almost there. Make this your final round. Keep your hands in place. Take a deep inhale breath. Hold. Squeeze everything in. Squeeze your thumbs into your temples. Exhale, soften, keeping the thumbs in place. 2 more. Inhale. Squeeze your muscles. Squeeze your thumbs into your temples. Not too hard. Exhale. One last time, take a deep inhale breath. Squeeze. Exhale softly. gracefully lower the hands back down on your knees. Close the eyes here. And just take a moment. Let the action that you have just done circulate. Pressing the palms together at the center of your chest. Pushing your thumbs into your sternum, into your chest area, lifting slightly at the elbows. From here, we close our practice with a long sut, short nam. Take a deep inhale breath. Sat Nam. Sat Nam means truth is my name. Bring your forehead and your palms down onto the ground, sealing off the energy of today's practice. So Sat Nam, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in and making the dedication to yourself to move forward and become the person that you know you are. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and to hit that bell icon if you are on a spiritual path. My channel is all about how to be a yogi, how to live your life like a yogi, and how to awaken your Kundalini energy. So thank you again. My name is Nori. Practice this for 40 days and leave a comment down below. Let me know how it goes. I'll talk to you guys soon.